Hey y'all, so I'm just bringing you a quick tutorial on how to transform this cute little two-piece, shimmy shimmy shimmy, onto this one piece. Follow along if you have your sewing machine. Let's go. Okay, first things first, you want to take your drawstring that's in the band of your pants and push it down so it can be out of the way when we're getting ready to sew that piece to the top part. Once you get that pushed down, you want to go ahead and flip your pants and your jacket inside out. So because we are sewing on the wrong side, okay? Once you get that flipped inside out, line the pieces up. You want the front of the jacket to line up with the front of the pants. And then you're going to take your pins and start to pin it all the way around. I usually go from the front to the back, then the sides, and then I even it all out. Once you get it all evened out, you want to make sure it's all aligned correctly and then bring it to your sewing machine and sew. I am using a zigzag stitch because this is a stretchy material and we want to keep it that way. If you decide to use a straight stitch, that's fine. Just make sure it's reinforced with your zigzag stitch. Once you get that sewed all around, we are going to go on to the next step. A little elevator music while we wait for the next step. Yours, mine, ours. I can do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you all an hour and some champagne showers. The lots and towers. I don't know the rest. But I'm gonna keep it going because I like the way it's flowing. Okay, here we go. So we got that sewed all the way around. And now we're going to go on to the next step, which is cutting off those sleeves. You guys, we have to shorten these sleeves because they are long. Sorry about that. My son just jumped in to ask me a question with his nether regions. But anywho, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and take the scissors, line up the sleeves of the arm and go ahead and cut it to your desired length. And then we're going to also cut off the band on the end of the sleeves because we're going to use that as well. So once you have those cut off, come on back. And there goes my little helper again. What do you need, son? What do you need? Mommy is trying to work. Okay. So yeah, make sure y'all is careful when cutting that band off. You don't want to cut into the band. You want to cut around it as closely as possible. Make sure all of the, the strays and all of those things are out the way. Once you get that cut, you want to go ahead and line it up with your now shortened sleeve. Line it up with seam to seam. Stitch that bad boy all the way around. You're going to do that on both sides. Once you complete that, we're going to go ahead and sew it with a zigzag stitch, of course. And then we'll be back. Yeah, so soon as we get done pinning that thing around, we're going to go ahead and zigzag stitch that bad boy all the way around. I'm talking about all around town. I don't know why I always bite my lip when I be deep into something. Am I the only one that do that? Just be biting my lip. Okay, so right here my bobbin ran out of thread. So we got to rethread that bad boy, okay? So let me just do a little adjusting here with my lip poked out. I do a lot with my lip when I'm concentrating. I bite it, poke it out, be slobbing sometimes. I know I ain't the only one. But anyway, after we get that thing rethreaded, we're going to go back in and finish up that zigzag stitch on that armband, okay? And once we get that done, we're going to check it out, make sure everything is everything. And then we're going to go ahead and turn this bad boy. Oh, no, we ain't turning it inside out yet. We're going to go ahead and tighten up those legs because I know y'all saw how loose it was in the beginning. So we're going to have to tighten that up so it can fit my new shape, okay? Because these pants are a size large. And I currently wear a medium. So we're going to bring it on down to a medium, okay? So I'm just taking about 1.5 inches off, starting from one end of the pants leg, going all the way around to the other side, on the inside, of course. I don't recommend if you're a beginner you do this. Not saying I'm an expert or anything, but if you know what you're doing, if you know, you know. But yeah, I'm going to just take that straight stitch from one pants leg all the way around to the other. From the leg all the way up to the crotch. Taking it off about 1.5 inches. And yeah, once I do that with the straight stitch, we're going to go ahead and see what this bad boy is looking like. Okay. Still doing that weird thing with my lip again. But anyway, this is the finished product. Tell me what you guys think. We went from a 2-piece to a 1-piece, looking like a spicy Power Ranger. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Come on, waist. Cinch it on in. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. Oh, okay, buns. Don't forget to hit that bell so you are notified whenever I post. And peace out. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to cut y'all strings.